What's going on, guys? It's BarryBenson, and we are back with another daily trade. Today, we got a grand total of 102, right? 102 is what we got for the day. Look, before we go any further, I need you to do me a favor. It's very important. I'm trying to get to 1,000 likes, right? We are working to build this community so that we can continue to give you free gems and walk you through the journey of growing your account and becoming a full-time day trader or a trader on the side, right? However you want to do it, get it how you live. But go like, comment, subscribe. It would mean the world to me. I appreciate it. Now, let's get into this trade, right? Here on a daily trade, I'm just going to be giving you guys a breakdown of a trade that I took. I usually take, multiple trades per day, but I just go and I select one trade so that I can share with you. Today's trade was CRM, so Salesforce. CRM is a wonderful company, but in certain times, you gotta short them, right? It's just like any company. Never get too biased to one side. This is CRM, and this is on the 15. I'll expand this actually so it could be a little clearer to you. So let me just break it down very easily for you to understand, right? So the 9 EMA is typically what I'm using on the 15-minute. The 9 is such a great number. It's such an easy EMA to trade off of because, as you can see, it usually respects it in both directions, right? And when we get across of it, we usually get a pretty strong move. So the 9 EMA, for those who don't know, is the 9 exponential moving average. The 9 exponential moving average is simply the average of 9 sessions. Since this is a 15-minute chart, that means that each of these sessions or each of these candles represent 15 minutes. So the way that we get this blue squiggly line is by simply taking the price, the average price of 9 of these sessions and dividing it by 9, right? So that's going to be a trailing indicator that shows you exactly what the average price is at a given time. Okay, so I saw the stock cross over the 9, and originally I was like, okay, this may be a breakout, but I waited, and then I saw that it made this tweezer formation. So I'm like, oh, okay, I see what it's doing. It made pre-market highs, and it just wants to, it doesn't want to go beyond those highs, right? So then we saw the stock come down, and I was like, okay, maybe this is a reversal. So then I waited for the next session to occur, and I saw that that session closed significantly below, not only the previous candle low, but it closed significantly below the 9 EMA. So that was my confirmation to get in. I got in, it quickly whipsawed up, scared the shit out of me for a second, but then I was just like, you know what? Stay calm. You got your confirmation, it's coming. And it did just that. It shot down in about 2 minutes, and I was able to make 10% on my $1,000, which is about $102. So very excited about that. Not a ton of money, but I was able to get out of this weird market with something. Get out of this day green, which is always a good thing. You guys got to understand, like, every day won't be a $20,000 day. Every day won't be a $10,000 day. But when there's some opportunity, you do want to take it, and you want to be risk off, right? Like, I could have risked $10,000-$20,000 to try to make money on this play, but because the market has been so weird and doing things like this, we're risk off. We kind of take our time. We only put $1,000 on, or we a fraction of what you would normally risk, so that way you're not being surprised with things going against what you're seeing in technicals. So it's important to manage risk when data comes out and the day after data, because that's usually when it's going to be a fluctuating time in the market. Just something to take note of. All right. So yeah, that's CRM. That's my trade for the day. I'll be back every day, with a trade setup, just kind of breaking it down, what I did. I won't go through all of my trades for the day, but I'll go through one trade that I think will be a teachable moment for you guys. So that's it. Again, subscribe, like, comment, share. If you got some friends that you know that are learning how to trade or want to know more about trading, share this with them, right? I think it's a beautiful thing when you take this journey with somebody, right? My friend Isaiah and I started this trading journey together, and now we are teaching people how to trade through the Prosperity Collective, which I think you may want to join, right? for the cost of a subscription to Netflix and HBO Max, you could be learning how to trade, and not just learning how to trade, but earning while you learn and make money every day. It's our mission to make sure that you get paid every day. And if we can't do that, then we've done something wrong. All right. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I love you. Peace. I'll see you guys next time.